In this video, I'll be showing you how to convert a task to a list on ClickUp. ClickUp's task management system offers a versatile feature that allows you to transform a task into a fully functional list. This conversion is incredibly useful when a task evolves into a more complex project or requires extensive planning and organization. By converting a task to a list, you can take advantage of ClickUp's comprehensive project management capabilities, including subtasks, due dates, assignees, and more. Here's how you can convert a task to a list. Open the task you want to convert. At the top of the task window, click on the three dots or the ellipsis icon. From the drop-down menu, select Convert To, then click Convert to List. It's essential to keep in mind that time tracking and custom field data will not be transferred when converting a task to a list. When converting a task to a list on ClickUp, it's important to note that this action is permanent and cannot be reversed. So if you're sure about this, click Convert to List. You will then be taken to your new list. The task name will become the list name. Any subtask within the task will become parent tasks in the newly created list. Attachments, comments, and other relevant information will be added to the List Info section of the new list. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.